everybody, it's me RJ here again with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be checking out the Worx spine realignment device. This device is nice and light. You can pick it up and take it just about anywhere. It has little rubber grips here to keep you from sliding on the floor. I like to use mine on a mat, so I'm going to lay it down right here. And this blue part right here is all hard plastic, and then you have this rubber design here that goes along your spine, and that's where you lay your spine, and it's curved to help realign your spine. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. Right here it is labeled lower back, so you know exactly where to put your lower back so you don't lay on it the wrong way. Grab a pillow, place the pillow right up there. Go ahead and set your butt right here. Make sure your spine is lined up with the rubber track right here, and you lay back on it slowly, and you just relax. Now, according to the instructions that comes with it, you can lay like this for up to 15 minutes, no longer. If you want additional stretching or additional pressure in certain areas of your spine, you can move your legs out like this. You could also elevate them. You can spread them to the side if it feels better for you. And if you want additional pressure through your mid-spine and upper back, you can take your arms, slowly bring them like this. Right here I can feel it in my upper back, mid-upper back. And if I want to get all the way to the base of my upper back, I can go like this, and that puts a lot of pressure in this area here. And just pick a position that feels good for you, that you need. Now, when you first lay on this, your spine is probably going to pop. Mine did the first couple times I used it. After that, it went away. It doesn't pop anymore, but it sure does relieve a lot of pressure. It helps stretch my back. It helps with my sciatica that I have. And it just makes me feel good overall. If you don't want to use a pillow, you can take the pillow out and lay back and get even more pressure in your upper back here, which is what I do because my neck is pretty flexible. When you're completely done with it and you're done laying on it, as long as you want to, whatever feels comfortable for you, just don't do it any longer than 15 minutes because that's what the instructions say. Go ahead and roll off. You don't want to get straight up and stand up because it's going to hurt. It's going to mess with all the stretching that you just did. So what you want to do is kind of roll over to the side here, either direction, and just kind of lay here like this for about 30 seconds or so, and then you get up. That's it. That's the Worx realignment device. It works great. I love it. My wife uses it a lot too, and she loves it. And she has some issues with her upper back in between her shoulders getting stiff or pinched, and this relieves it. And as we continue to use it, the issues that we have get better and better. So there's improvement with this device, not just temporary relief. There's actual improvement. So I hope you guys liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you know anybody that needs this, share the video with them. Also, before you try something like this, you might want to talk to your doctor if you've had any kind of serious spinal injury that's required surgery, or if you're pregnant. You might want to ask your doctor before you use something like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.